Hello again, friends. I want you to imagine this. You're 65. Your knees ache every morning. Climbing stairs feels like dragging bricks. Hi, I'm Dr. Luke Smith. I've helped thousands of men and women over 50 avoid surgery and regain mobility using natural medicine and circulation therapy. And today, I'm going to share with you something that might sound too simple to be real. But trust me, it's real. And it's been used for generations to ease inflammation, support blood flow to the joints, and reduce stiffness in the knees. Because here's the truth. Most people don't have a joint problem. They have a blood flow problem to the joints. And when circulation to the knee is poor, cartilage breaks down, inflammation builds, and pain sets in. But this natural remedy has changed lives. So stay with me. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through what this powerful leaf is, why it helps your knees heal while you sleep, how to prepare and apply it safely, and bonus circulation tips to protect your joints long term. If you're over 55 and your knees feel stiff, swollen, or just plain worn out, you're not alone. But here's something I need you to know. Pain is not the end. It's a signal. And the leaf I'm about to show you, it's helped hundreds of my patients turn that signal around without a single pill. Meet the leaf. Comfrey. Comfrey, or as herbalists used to call it, knitbone, is one of the oldest known healing plants for joints and bones. It's not a new trend. This plant goes back thousands of years in folk medicine across Europe and Asia. And now, science is starting to catch up. Here's what's inside this simple green leaf. Allantoin, a compound that stimulates new cell growth, especially connective tissues. Rosmarinic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and improving joint mobility. Mucilage, a slick, soothing substance that helps cushion and lubricate stiff joints. And tannins, natural astringents that can help tighten and tone damaged tissue. Now I know what you're thinking. Can a leaf really help rebuild my knee? Let me tell you about a patient of mine, Helen, 69 years old. She had trouble climbing stairs. Her knees crackled. Every morning felt like she was walking on gravel. She didn't want surgery. She didn't want pills. So we tried this. Each night, she would take fresh comfrey leaves, crush them into a thick paste, and warm it gently. She'd apply the paste to her knee, wrap it loosely in a clean cloth, and go to sleep. By the third night, she said, "Doc, I didn't wake up from the pain for the first time in months. It's like something inside my knee unlocked." So, what's the name of the leaf? We'll talk about that in just a moment, and how you can prepare it safely at home. But first, if this video has been helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more natural healing tips, and share this video with a loved one who needs joint relief. And leave a comment below. Have you ever tried a natural remedy for knee pain? You might inspire someone else to heal. Now, let's move to part 5. I'll walk you step by step through how to use this leaf the right way, when to apply it, and how to boost its effects with simple pantry ingredients. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, let's talk about how to actually use this healing leaf to support knee comfort and regeneration, naturally and gently, right from your home. Step 1. Identify the right leaf. The leaf in question is often found in your garden or local health stores. Comfrey, also known as bone knit. It's earned this name over centuries because of its ability to support joint and tissue repair. Other options with similar properties include plantain leaf, moringa, or even gattu cola, depending on availability in your region. Step 2. Prepare the leaf poultice. Gently wash 4 to 5 fresh leaves with warm water. Pat dry. Next, crush them with a mortar and pestle until they form a thick green paste. If you don't have one, you can simply use the back of a spoon and a bowl. To activate the healing compounds, add a teaspoon of warm olive oil or castor oil, both of which help with penetration into the skin and soothe inflammation. Step 3. Apply before bed. Spread this paste gently onto the affected knee. Cover it with a piece of clean gauze or muslin cloth. Then lightly wrap the knee with an elastic bandage to keep everything in place. Do not wrap too tightly, just enough for it to stay secure while you sleep. This is the time when your body is naturally in repair mode, overnight. While you rest, your skin absorbs the active compounds that stimulate circulation and support the cartilage and joint matrix. Step 4. Morning cleanse. In the morning, gently remove the wrap and wash the area with lukewarm water. You might feel an immediate difference. Some people report reduced stiffness, others say the pain fades noticeably. With consistent use over several nights, the results can be truly transformative. Of course, every body is different, but I've seen countless patients, men and women in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s, try this method and report dramatic improvement. Let's remember, your body wants to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right tools, natural tools, to do the job. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you're going to try the overnight knee healing ritual. Now, let's be clear, this isn't a miracle leaf, but when used properly, comfrey can improve blood flow, reduce joint inflammation, and support tissue regeneration. Why overnight healing works? You see, the body naturally heals best while we sleep. That's when growth hormones are active, inflammation decreases, and cells repair. By applying the comfrey poultice at night, you allow the healing compounds hours to soak in. You give your knees rest, which is crucial for recovery, and you activate the body's own repair cycle. Now supported by natural plant medicine, it's not just about comfort, it's about recovery. A word of caution: comfrey is powerful, and like all potent herbs, it must be used with care and knowledge. There are parts of the plant that should never be consumed, and you should always apply it to unbroken skin only. In Part 3, I'll guide you through how to identify high-quality comfrey, how to make a safe and effective poultice at home, and when you should avoid using it. I'll even share a simple 2-ingredient variation that boosts its healing effect. If this message has helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell me in the comments, have you ever tried a natural remedy that actually worked? You might inspire someone else on their healing journey. Tell us in the comments, where in the world are you from? You might be wondering, how can rubbing a simple leaf onto your knee actually help regenerate cartilage? Let's break it down. The leaf we're talking about contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds, such as quercetin, flavonoids, and salicin. Nature's version of pain relief. These compounds don't just mask pain, they go after the root cause, inflammation in the joints. Now, inflammation is the silent enemy. Over time, it wears down the cartilage, that smooth tissue that cushions your bones. Once that's gone, every step feels like bone grinding on bone. But when you rub this natural extract onto your knee, especially after warming it slightly, it penetrates the skin and delivers its nutrients directly to the area. You're giving your body what it needs to start repairing damaged tissue, boost circulation, and nourish the joint from the outside in. Some studies show that natural leaf extracts like these increase synovial fluid production. That's the lubricant inside your joints. More lubrication means less pain, smoother movement, and most importantly, less wear and tear on your cartilage. Let me be clear, no leaf is a miracle, but when used consistently, combined with proper nutrition and light joint exercises, the compounds in this plant may help your body do what it was designed to do: heal. And I've seen it firsthand. Patients who couldn't climb stairs a year ago now walk daily without pain, all because they added this one simple habit.